If you want Microsoft Word to catch spelling mistakes the moment you type them, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to turn on check spelling as you type. This is a simple but powerful setting that can save you time, help you write more confidently, and catch errors before they become a problem in your document. Whether you're writing school assignments, office reports, emails, or blog posts, having spell check active in real time makes the editing process much easier. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, look to the top left corner and click File. This opens the main menu where you can access Word settings and preferences. From there, scroll down and select Options. This will open the Word Options window, which is where you can control many of the program's built-in features. In the Word Options window, look at the left-hand panel and click Proofing. This section contains the spelling and grammar settings for Word, and this is exactly where you need to be to enable live spell checking. Now look for the section labeled When Correcting Spelling and Grammar in Word. Under that section, find the checkbox that says Check Spelling as you type. Click the box to turn it on. Once that box is checked, Word will start underlining misspelled words as you type, helping you spot and correct issues instantly. If you also want grammar suggestions, you can review the other proofing settings in the same area. But for this tutorial, the main goal is to make sure check spelling as you type is enabled. After you've checked the box, click OK at the bottom of the window to save your changes. Word will now apply this setting right away, and you should start seeing spelling mistakes flagged in real time inside your document. If the underlines do not appear immediately, try typing a sample sentence with a misspelled word to confirm the feature is working. Keep in mind that this setting is especially useful if you often switch between documents, write quickly, or want an extra layer of accuracy while typing. It can help prevent small mistakes from slipping through and makes your final proofreading much faster. And that's it. You've now enabled check spelling as you type in Microsoft Word. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in your day-to-day writing. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Word tips and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.